Hello class. Welcome to the online teaching classes of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Today, I, Richa Parekh, am here to start with unit number 5, Numbers of English Grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, first of all, let's discuss what are numbers. In the subject of English grammar, when we talk about one particular thing or particular person is considered as singular. But when we talk about more than one thing, it is considered as plural. Numbers matter in the use of nouns, pronouns, determiners, and verbs in simple present tense. Let's consider what is plural. In English, plurals are generally formed by adding s or es to the singular form of nouns. Plurals are mainly classified into two types, that is, regular plural and irregular plural. When we add s or es to the singular form of noun, they are considered as regular plurals. But when we change the format or the form of the verbs, then it is considered as irregular plurals. For example, if we add s or es, bird, birds, umbrella, umbrellas, such form of noun are considered as regular plurals. But man, men and men, men, here men is considered as irregular plural. Let's discuss the rules. How to form a plural. The first rule is, with most of the nouns, we simply add s to the singular to get the plural form. In most of the nouns, we just add s in order to make it more than one. For example, road, roads, place, places. Let's see the second rule. When the singular ends with a sound made by the letter s, z, sh, ge or ch, we add es to form the plural. Add only s if the singular ends with e. The second rule is, when the singular sound ends with e in the end, then we have to add only s. But if the letter in the singular ends with s, z, sh, ge or ch, we always have to add es in order to make it plural. For example, pass, here the last letter is s, so we need to add es, that is passes, in order to make it plural. But see the second example, excuse, here the last letter is e, so we need to add only s, that is excuses, in order to make it plural. The third point is, when the singular ends with the sound made by the letter p, t, k or th, add s to make them plural. When the last letter of the word ends with p, t, k or th, always add s, that is cap, caps, rat, rats, tulip, tulips. Let's see the fourth point, that is, for the nouns ending in y, change the y to I and add es. So when the nouns change from y, in order to make it plural, we have to convert y to I and add es in order to make them plural. See the example, baby, babies. Here the y is changed to I and added with es in order to make plural. The next rule is, but this rule of changing y to I and adding es is only when there is a consonant before y. Dear students, you might have learnt what is vowel and what is consonant. The letters a, e, I, o, u are considered as vowels. So when there is a vowel before y, always add s to make them plural. But if there are consonants, then always change the y to I and add es. Rule number 5. Singulars ending in o usually form plurals by ending s, but there are some words which need es to make them plural. Here, when the singular words ends with o, always add s or es to make them plural. Rule number 6. In the plural of nouns ending in F or FE, replace F or FE with VES. Dear students, in the last which we saw, that was Y is converted to I and added with ES. So here, in order to make the nouns plural, the words which are ending with the last letters of F or FE, always change it to VES. But sometimes it may happen that we need to add S instead of changing them to VES. Point number 7. The plurals of small number of nouns are formed by change in the vowel sound. In the small number of nouns, that is in a very few number, if we need to change the plural, always change the vowel sound. That is, instead of foot, we will write feet. Goose, geese. Men, men. Point number 8. Some nouns do not change in plural. There are many nouns such as fish, deer, sheep, which won't be changed into plural. Point number 9. Some nouns are always used as singular, though they sound like plural. Many a times it may happen that there are words which may end with S or ES, but they are always taken into consideration as singular and not plurals. For example, news, politics, billiards, all of this are ending with S, but they are always considered to be singular. Point number 10. Some nouns are always plurals. Scissors, binoculars, trousers. And in order to make them singular, we will write a pair of scissors, a pair of binoculars, and a pair of trousers. Dear students, the points which we discussed above are shown here in a table form. Do read this at your home and practice and remember this. Exercise number 1, that is, choose the correct plural from the following words. We will be discussing first 3 and rest of the 7 will be the part of your homework, and the answers of this will also be shared with you in the PDF format. The first one is scarf. So here, according to the rule, the word is ending with F. So the answer will be, F will be changed to VES. SCARVES, that is the correct plural. The second one is river. So in order to make river plural, we will write rivers. The third one is woman. So in order to change it into plural, we will be writing WOMEN, that is woman. Let's see exercise number 2. Complete the following table with correct words. Put the cross in the boxes where no word is to be written. The first one is colleges. So in order to make the singular of colleges, we will write college. The second one is child. To make the plural of child, that is children. Third one is hotel. Hotel, we will add S in order to make it plural, that is hotels. Salesmen. In order to make singular, we will write sales, 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 MAN, men. Let's see exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks correctly using the singular or the plural form of the words given in the bracket. Dash trees are very old. See my dear students, here trees, that means that is plural. So instead of that, we will write those trees are very old. Second one, the dash was cancelled because of rain. The dash was cancelled, that is singular. So here the form of match will be stayed as it is. The match was cancelled because of rain. The dash and dash are pest. Mouse will be changed to mice and louse will be changed to lease. Thus, dear students, we are here at the end of the chapter. I hope you all are doing well in this situation. Stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.